Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinka's channel.
In today's video, I'll show you how to install Deepseek locally on your Windows computer, isolate it, and use it without an internet connection. I'll also guide you through the setup process to ensure a smooth user experience. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Ollama download areas. Then, go to the official website and click on Download, selecting the Windows version. Once the download is complete, install it on your Windows computer. Next, open Command Prompt, CMD, and type Ollama, version press Enter, and you should see your Ollama version displayed. Now, we need to download the Deepseek model. Visit the official website and click on the Models section. Look for Deepseek R1. If you can't find it, use the search bar and type Deepseek. Once you locate Deepseek R1, you will see multiple model options, such as 7B and 8B, which refer to models with 7 billion and 8 billion parameters. Models with fewer parameters are more efficient but provide less detailed information, while higher parameter models offer better accuracy and results. Select the model that best suits your needs. I'll be choosing the 8B model for this tutorial. Once selected, copy the code provided next to it. Open Command Prompt, CMD, and paste the code and run the command. This will begin download the module. From here, you can type any question and testing it. Once the installation is complete, close Command Prompt and reopen it and run the following command, Ollama list. This will display a list of available models. Find and copy the model name you'd like to use. To run the model, type Ollama run, then paste model name. I will test some question. Next, I'll disable my internet connection to verify that Ollama Deepseek works offline. And as you can see, it runs perfectly. To create a shortcut for the run command, start by copying the run command. Then, open Notepad and type at echo off, pressing enter. After that, paste the run command below at echo off. Next, go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose a location to save the file and, in the Save As type dropdown, select All Files. In the file name field, enter a name followed by .bat. Once you save the file, you can run the shortcut, and the Deepseek chat will open. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.